and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a cool Rema song here. It's called Joe. So one melody goes in the same way through the entire song. So let's start this one up. We had a capo set here on the first fret, and with that we have three different chords. So let's take a look at those. First we have the D7 sus2. It's a long name there, very easy to hold actually. So it will be open D, second G, first B, and open E. So that's the D7 chord. Then we have the A minor 7. So that is open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And then for G, we actually just will go with the third fret on E string. Everything else will be open because we don't need the full chord for this G. So only third fret on the E bass. Everything else is open. Let's take a look at this melody. So it starts with the D7 sus2. So you're gonna play open D, and then you're gonna play the second G, first B, and open E, kind of a down. I roll with my fingers there. I'm using my 3 index, middle, and ring finger. And I roll it down like this for one time, and then I hit them together for the second time. So second G, first B, and open E. So the first part will be like this. Alright, then we have this little melody here that builds for the next chord, and that will be on E string, third, first, and open E, then third B, and first B. Alright, so that's the D7. So slowly like this. Then we go to the A minor 7, and you land here on the first fret B string, so that's perfect because it's a part of the next chord, A minor 7. So you just place the second fret D string there, and you're gonna play in the open A first, and then you do the same. You roll down the second D, open G, and first B, and then you hammer on the third B, okay? So you're just playing when you play this first B, when you roll down, and then you just hammer on immediately after on the third B string. So that is the A minor 7, slowly like this. Alright, and then the final chord is G. You're gonna play and pick 4 strings together. It's the third fret on E string together with open G, open B, and open D. So open D, G, and B. Alright, and then you have this melody. So that is open G, second G, first B, and third B. So the final G part was. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna take you through this one round slowly. It sounds like this. Alright, so play that through the entire song, and that is Rema's Joe. So good luck with this one, guys, and play tuned.